In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your gender on Google account. So to hide your gender on Google, firstly open any web browser, then type myaccount.google.com. Now type slash and type gender, then press enter. So you will see this page, gender, indicating your gender lets Google know how to refer to you. So to hide your gender, here is the option choose who can see your gender. So select only you. So this information is private, only you can see it. So now if you will select only you, so no anyone can able to see your gender on your Google account. So this is friends, by this quick method we can know how to hide gender on Google account. Thanks for watching.